This is the Triton Omnicare Thermostatic Electric Shower. In the tutorial we are going to go through the process of changing the thermostatic valve from the factory set 47 degrees to a care standard 41 degrees. Firstly, this is the thermostatic valve we will be changing. You need to turn the red dial fully clockwise, and as you see, or if you can see, the arrow is then pointing to 47. What we need to do is change the arrow so it's pointing to 41. For this we need to take out the screw in the center of the red tab, remove that tab, and then rotate anti-clockwise until the arrow, which is very difficult to see, but points to the 41 at the top. Once it does that, we will then replace the red tab dial in the same manner as we've just removed it. So it looks like that. Then there's a second part to this, which just above there is a black nailed plastic secured by a screw. We need to move that from position A, which it's in, over to position B. You may feel a little resistance, but keep going, and eventually it will go across to the other side, where we can re-secure it with the screw. That's the valve now set at 41 degrees. I shall now replace the cover and show you that there is no difference at all to the movement of the thermostatic valve. Okay, I'll just restore power and turn the shower on. So at number 9 it will give you 41 degrees, turning it through to number 1 where the temperature will be around about 32-34 degrees, and that's it, fully demonstrated. If you'd like any more information on the Triton Omnicare Thermostatic Shower or any other shower in the Triton range, please go to the Triton website or the Triton YouTube channel.